Okay, so here I've already kind of pre-worked this problem out. You can always pause this video to kind of check it with your own calculations. But basically what I want to show is first what I did is I noticed my denominators were 9, 21, and 15. So the first thing I want to do is I want to look for the least common multiple of 9, 21, and 15. And so I used that least common multiple procedure that I taught you to find the least common multiple of 315. And so I just multiplied the entire fractional equation by 315. And that's what you see here in this first step. Then I distributed this 315 to both of those terms inside the parentheses. And that's what I've got here on this next step. And then I canceled 9 in the denominator here and 315 here, which gives me 35 left. So, to kind of remind you how I did that. So here's 9 in the denominator. Here's 9 on our least common multiple. And what do we have left? 35. So that's why we've got 35 left here. With this one here, we've got 21 in the denominator. And so 21 is 3 times 7. And so what do we have left? 15. And then over here on the right, we have 15 in the denominator. We're dividing that into 315. So here's 15 there. So what do we have left? 3 times 7, which is 21. All right. So what I did was just tried to reduce the clutter. So what do we have left after this multiplication of 315 and some cancellation here? So we've got 35 times 5x, and we've got 15 times 5 and 4x times 21. And so now 35 times 5x gives us 175x. 15 times 5 gives us 75. And 4x times 21 gives us 84x. Okay. And now this is a linear equation without fractions that now we can solve for this single variable of x. So I just subtracted 175x from both sides, and that canceled out the 175x on the left. And that left us with 75 equals negative 91x. Divide both sides by 91, and we get this solution down here of x being equal to negative 75 over 91. And what I did next was to see if I can simplify this fraction by looking for common factors between 75 and 91 that maybe I can cancel out. And so 75 is 3 times 5 times 5, and 91 is 7 times 13. Well, these two numbers don't have any common factors. Okay, so since they have no common factors, I can't reduce or simplify this fraction. And so that's the best possible answer that we've got. So that's kind of how I came to solve this equation with fractional coefficients. Let me know if you have any questions.